In this video, I'll teach you how to add or create a hamburger menu in Wix Studio. So in this case, you can see I don't have a hamburger menu up here, but I want to create one. So what I want to do first is to go over here on the right hand side and click Open Inspector so I can see what I'm doing. From there, I would go ahead and mark the menu. In this case, I have to click 3 times, but just go ahead and click until you see it says menu in bold up here. Now from here, you can go ahead and click on layout over here. And then you're gonna have the hamburger option right here. And as you can see, we've now created a hamburger menu, and you can go ahead and adjust and place this up in the header wherever you'd like. One thing I just want to quickly mention is that if you don't have the hamburger menu in this layout setting, you might need to go over here on the right hand side and click on update your menu. I had a small text over here prior to making this video where I had to click update my menu. And once you've done that, you should have the hamburger menu option right here. But that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can create a hamburger menu in Wix Studio. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.